Let's get straight to it. 2019 Kia Optima. This is the 2.4 liter engine. So today we are replacing the serpentine belt, and this is what your belt should look like. If you look down here, you can see where the serpentine belt is. It's right here on the outside. Now right there, you have another belt. That is for your water pump. So we're not changing that belt. Now, in order to change the water pump belt, you have to remove the serpentine belt. So if you are going to change that belt, you're still going to need to know how to remove the serpentine belt. So it's really easy. You see there's the tensioner right here. That silver one, that's your tensioner. And you're not going to be able to fit a socket on there. The only thing you're going to need to be able to use is a wrench, a regular wrench or an offset wrench, or maybe even some crow's foot, but you're not going to be able to get a socket in there. Now you can do this from just the top, but if you want to make it easier, you can remove this passenger tire and get in behind the plastic back there, and then that could also help you wrap the belt. But you shouldn't have to do that to do this job in general. There's only 4 pulleys that this belt makes contact with. That is the tensioner pulley here, the alternator pulley. It goes all the way down to the AC compressor. It goes back over to the crank, and then it comes back here. So like I said, it's only 4 pulleys that it's making contact with. So this is really easy to change. This video is just so you can know what you're getting into with this job. All right, so I'm using a 17mm wrench, and you can see it's just sitting right there. And as I turn this counterclockwise, then the belt is now loose, and I can actually grab that belt and remove it. So you can see the slack being created right there. So now I can reach down here and pull this belt off of the alternator like that, and the belt is loose. So now we can just remove it. All right, let's get this belt out of here. Just like, all right, so that's it. That's the belt right there. So now if you take a quick look at that, you would see why it needs to be replaced. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and feed my new belt in now. Let's get it around this crank at the bottom down here. Like I said, you don't have to go from the sides to get this routed, unless you have like huge hands and you can't get in here somehow. But my hands aren't that small, and I can do this, so you should be able to fit in here as well. All right, so just like that, the new belt is on. I was able to get that on with no problem whatsoever. So again, this is the serpentine belt, not the water pump belt. The water pump belt is back there. So this is how you remove and replace the serpentine belt.